Okay, so I'm here at the office. It's slow, and I've got another Banggood item to review. This is the 4-piece key bit master key lock pick tools, is what it's title called. I'm trying to do this without a tripod, so it's not the easiest thing. Basically, I picked this item because I had never really seen it and wanted to try something different. The only problem is I do not have a lock for these to fit in. I have tried everything, and in the directions, which are in Chinese, I believe it's Chinese, here are a few of the locks that it works on. And I was hoping to find one of these and try it and everything else, but I don't have one. And I mean, it looks like the packing material here you can use the way I see it, and I think this is it, is you put the material on the bit like so, insert it into the lock, then use the wrench and it should open the lock. And of course it comes with this little hook here to reach into the lock and pull out the material. And like I said, this white material is probably what can be used. I don't know of any other reason other than packing why it'd be in there, but that's what it kind of looks like. There's 4 different bits, and like I said, I've tried all the locks that I've got. Even I've got one of the smiley face Chinese locks, and none of these would go into it. So, not real sure if it works. Would love to have tried it out. It is metal. It's pretty strong. So, review-wise, I guess the best thing I can do is just give my overall impression of the item. And like I said, you know, it is pretty strong. And let me, sorry about the shakiness, but let me see if I can fix the camera here for a bit. There we go. As you can see, it does go in, and I don't think they would be breaking anytime soon. So, I mean, does it work? I don't know. Does it look like it's built to last? Yes. Does it look like it's plausible to work? I believe so. I believe that would go in. It kind of reminds me of the full, you know, impressioning on dimple locks. How that's used to open dimple locks. This kind of reminds me of it. Instead of using thin pieces of foil, you're using possibly this stuff here, which is, you know, spongy type stuff. So I think it's plausible that it could open some of these locks, if not all. So that's about the best I can do on this one. If anybody out there wants it, think you got some locks, think you know where you can get some locks to work it, leave a comment. I'll give it a week, and then I'll draw a name and send it out to somebody. And if whoever gets it, if you do happen to come across a lock, or you have a lock that it works on, let me know how it goes. I'd like to know. I'll update the video. But I'll leave a 25% coupon code for this also. And I've got one more review to do here soon. And later today, I've got a giveaway I got to announce with the 6-piece foldable lockpick set that I had. I don't have it with me right now, but I do have a winner. Or we will have a winner today. I'm going to draw the name. So, if you want it, leave a comment. Thanks, guys. Be good, be safe, be legal. See ya.